What if the reason she's ignoring you has nothing to do with your looks, your money, or your status? What if it's something invisible, something she can't even explain herself? Today, I'm going to show you exactly what that is. Welcome back. Today we're uncovering the hidden psychology behind why some men naturally draw women in, without doing anything obvious. This isn't about tricks or manipulation. It's about understanding something deeper, how a woman's attention truly shifts from he's just there to why can't I stop thinking about him. And trust me, once you understand this, you'll never approach things the same way again. A lot of men make the same quiet mistake. They try to be more, louder, funny, more available, hoping she'll finally turn around and see them. But here's what most men don't realize: women don't respond to effort. They respond to energy. And the moment you shift that energy, everything changes. Think of it like a frequency. When yours is low, anxious, eager, desperate, she doesn't feel pulled toward you. But raise that frequency, grounded, calm, magnetic, and suddenly she starts leaning in without knowing why. That's the shift we'll talk about today. Real, practical, psychologically rooted tools that change how she perceives you from the inside out. Because every man deserves to be truly seen. And it starts not with grand gestures, but with quiet, powerful ones. Let's break it down step by step, starting with the one thing that communicates everything before you even speak. Asterisco your eyes. Not just eye contact, but the emotional story your eyes tell. Here's something fascinating from psychology: the left side of a person's face expresses emotion more deeply. So when you focus your gaze gently on her left eye, something shifts in her brain. Her nervous system reads it as deep emotional presence, like you're truly, fully there. Not distracted. Not performing. Just present. That kind of gaze releases oxytocin, the bonding hormone, which quietly builds trust, warmth, and connection. She won't know why she suddenly feels safe around you. She just feel it. Now let's talk about something most men completely overlook: asterisco your scent. Smell is the only sense directly wired to the brain's emotional memory center. One study found that women rate scent as more important than looks when choosing a partner. Let that sink in. The right fragrance doesn't just smell good, it becomes a memory trigger. Every time she catches that scent again, her mind brings her back to you. Choose something that matches your personality. If you're calm and deep, go for sandalwood or vetiver. If you're bold and intense, dark amber or smoky oud. Your fragrance is a silent message. Make sure it says the right thing. Next, asterisco your nervous system is either your biggest asset or your worst enemy. When you're around someone you're drawn to, anxiety can take over. Your voice tightens. Your body stiffens. And she feels all of it, even if she can't name it. The solution isn't to fake confidence. It's to build real calm from the inside. Natural adaptogens like ashwagandha help regulate cortisol, your stress hormone. L-theanine, found in green tea, sharpens focus without the jittery edge. Even a 5-minute conversation with someone who genuinely loves you before seeing her can reset your nervous system completely. Grounded energy is magnetic. She doesn't fall for the man who tries the hardest. She falls for the man who feels the most steady. When it comes to planning time together, asterisco forget the predictable. Dinner and a movie is forgettable. But take her somewhere that stirs emotion: an improv comedy show, a rooftop with a view, a late-night food market in a city neighborhood she's never explored. Here's the psychology behind this: when two people experience something exciting or slightly unfamiliar together, the brain links that emotional rush to the person they're with. It's called misattribution of arousal. Her pulse quickens. Her senses sharpen. And her mind quietly writes your name next to that feeling. Asterisco how you treat others in her presence says more than anything you could say directly: the way you speak to a stranger. The patience you show a slow waiter. The ease with which you move through a room. These are the moments she's actually watching. Not your jokes. Not your compliments. The real you, in motion. True confidence isn't performed for her. It's lived in front of her. And that distinction? She notices it every single time. When the bill arrives, asterisco don't make it a moment. Make it invisible. Wait until she's stepped away. Handle it quietly, without commentary, without checking if she noticed. That single act communicates more than 100 words. It says, I lead without needing applause. I give without needing credit. I am the kind of man who handles things. When she returns and it's already done, something shifts in how she sees you. Not because you paid, but because of how you did it. With complete ease. As the evening winds down, Asterisco resists the urge to rush toward a conclusion. Don't push for the kiss. Don't reach for validation. The man who pulls back slightly at the end, who leaves just a little mystery on the table, is the one she thinks about later that night. Mystery isn't about playing games. It's about having enough self-respect to let things unfold naturally. Leave her with a feeling she can't quite place. That quiet curiosity is more powerful than any line you could deliver. Here's the truth that ties all of this together. Asterisco, she doesn't want a man who chases, she wants a man whose presence makes her feel something she hasn't felt in a long time. Safe. Seen. Alive. So when you meet a woman who seems uninterested, don't collapse inward. Don't perform harder. Just stand taller, breathe deeper, and remind yourself, she doesn't know you yet. But if you show up as the real, grounded, emotionally present version of yourself, she will. Attraction isn't built through pressure. It's built through presence. Focus on becoming someone whose energy speaks before he does. Create small, genuine moments of connection. Let her feel safe, curious, and intrigued, all at once. When you do that, you stop chasing. And she starts coming toward you. Stand tall. Trust the process. Be the man who quietly pulls instead of loudly pushes, and watch how naturally everything begins to shift. If this resonated with you, drop the word asterisco magnetic in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a video like this.